I'm Susan Hogeland, and I'm Executive Vice President of the California Academy of Family Physicians. I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about Covered California. As you know, today is the kickoff of the Affordable Care Act, and it marks the date that patients from California can contact Covered California to find out if they qualify for health coverage. Our agenda today is to talk about why CAFP is involved in this, Covered California's website, their online shop and compare tool, the basic plans that are available, support for various cultural and linguistic needs, and important contact information for your patients, even for you and your staff. So we're involved because we launched a survey to our members to find out what their interest was in getting more information about Covered California and conveying that information to their patients. No doubt you have patients who are asking you about healthcare coverage. So we found out that there isn't a great deal of current knowledge about Covered California. And we asked also, what would you like to know? And our members said they'd like to know a lot more about Covered California. We also asked about their administrative staff's current knowledge and what they might like to know. So with this information, we went ahead and applied for a grant from Covered California, and we got it. And we're going to be doing a whole lot more outreach to you about how you can communicate with your patients in a short amount of time so that they are more informed about what their options are. So here's a very important website. This is coveredca.com. That's the official website for Covered California. And online they'll find a shop and compare tool. If they enter key information about themselves, their age and their earnings, they'll get information about the multiple possible plans that could be available to them. They need to look at the plan elements, of course, like any other health plan. Monthly premiums, what the coverage would be, and what the deductibles would be. But all the plans offer these essential health benefits. So Covered California will either refer them to an expanded Medi-Cal program, or they'll give them information about 4 different plan categories called the metals: the bronze, silver, gold, and platinum plans. So the metals have a basic split for each of them. Of course, bronze being the lowest priced has a higher copay or deductible amount for patients, and the platinum, being a higher priced plan, has a higher payment but lower out-of-pocket expenses. There's also cultural support for the targeted groups that are the Latinos and African Americans and young adults. So there's some language support and tools in many languages. The only problem is that the Spanish versions are a little bit delayed and may be late in coming. So here's important contact information again: www.coveredca.com, and the service center number 888-975-1142. And your patients can speak to qualified enrollment counselors on that line. Thanks very much for listening. Appreciate it.